Okay, hello, welcome to Lab 8 of my series of Unit 7 labs. Today we'll be installing a server antivirus to prevent the server from being attacked by viruses. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I ran the apt get update command. I did this to just check if there was any new updates that had to be done. And I just did this just to know what versions are currently available just before I install or do anything, just so I know everything's compatible with each other. Okay, so I did the sudo apt get install clamav to install the clamav antivirus. And I did this by running the the command like I said before. And this added antivirus and its related packages. And then I pressed Y to confirm, and it was installed. Okay. So as you can see from the arrows, I tried to stop the clamav service using the sudo systemctl stop clamav fresh clam service, but it took really long. So it just kept loading. Like it didn't do anything. Like the screen was just like there was code, but nothing was happening. And then it finally gave me an error saying the endpoint wasn't connected, which was annoying. And then I ran the same command again to try stopping it properly, and then it worked. After that, I did disable the service completely with the sudo systemctl command to stop it from running automatically in the future, and that fixed the issue and removed it from the startup list. Okay, so what I had to do next was I opened the psftp.exe in the putty file, and when I first tried it using cmd, it gave me an error. So I then resorted to downloading WinZip, and you're probably wondering how comes I'm downloading WinZip now. So I did do the lab 7 and 8 in a different order due to lab 6 not working. So I did lab 6, I started lab 8, but lab 7 was entirely dependent on lab 6. So I couldn't, well, not entirely, but mostly. So I didn't start doing lab 7 up until, yeah, so I basically did it in the wrong order. So this was me basically just downloading WinZip, as you can see here. And this is basically me setting up. So I'm just setting up a new connection using the SFTP protocol. I did use my hostname for no IP, and my username webmaster and the correct password for webmaster. Okay. I used the WinZip to upload this Unit 7 CVD file, which was on my local documents file, and I transferred it to the webmaster directory, and it showed the progress of me downloading it, and it wouldn't take too long actually. Okay, then I used one of my favorite commands, the lsal command, to ensure that all of the files and folders were in the right directory. And this helped me to confirm basically that the no IP folder was there, along with SSH config and system files that were essential. Okay, yeah, so here I did the sudo clam scan command, and this essentially just scanned the website folder and checked for any viruses using clamav, which we did install. And you can see from that there was a scan summary. And yeah, you can see the scan summary here. It says there's 0 infected files, there is 1 scanned file, and there is 0.01 megabytes of data scanned. So yeah, it didn't take too long actually to load. Okay, and if you can see here, Here I am basically dealing with the file that my teacher made that's a fake virus, and I'm now just downloading it using the command that I put here. And yeah, like I said, it wasn't dangerous. It was just used to check how the system would react to see if it actually worked or not. And then I used that command to essentially move the fake virus file into the website folder, so I could actually test if the antivirus would respond in the correct way. And then I reran the scan to the web directory to make sure that the CLAM AV antivirus could detect it, which helped confirm the scanner was actually picking up threats properly. Basically just checking everything is running as it should. And as you can see from the scan summary, it scanned one directory, it scanned 2 files, and there's 1 infected file, and 0 megabytes of data has been scanned. So as you can see, it's worked, antivirus has worked. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned for my next video, which will be on Lab 9. So just make sure to stay tuned for that, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.